Here's how you can connect Figma MCP with Claude Code. So there are two ways to do it. One is, which is preferred, is installing the plugin. So what you can do, so you must have Claude Code subscription for this, okay? And once you click on this, just copy this command. As you can see, Figma plugin has been already connected. So you don't have to log into Claude Code. First, you just have to run Claude plugin install Figma at Claude plugin official. Okay, that will install a plugin and it will have the MCP connected to it. Other way is you can simply say, suppose you want to run it only for one project and you don't want the plugin or plugin is blocked for some reason, then you can just simply say MCP add Figma. HTTP MCP. So here the MCP is also installed for me. Okay, now if I'll how I can check it, so you go to Claude and then you can say MCP, and here you will notice that there is Figma MCP with 18 tools which is connected. So and this is the same MCP that we added right now. Okay, and how you can, so I've already authenticated, but let me re-authenticate. How you can re-authenticate, so once you click on authenticate, for you, if you are installing it for the first time, it will come as authenticate. Once you authenticate, so it will ask you, it will redirect you to this browser, and here you can just give your authorization that yes, you want to connect to Claude Code. Okay, and if you're not logged in, it will first ask you to log in, then this window will come. So once you'll say agree, now as you can see, the Figma is connected. Next thing that you want to do is, so as you can see over here, I have already a Figma design open. Now I want it to edit it. So how it can do it? So you just have to provide the link to your Figma design. Can you add a button on the Figma basics above Figma basics design saying Claude Code? Okay, and here is the link to my design. So now what it will do, it will go and fetch, so as you can see, it is now using the Figma skill as well, and which is very important because now it understands skills are more, provide more info and context to Claude Code on how to do things. So here, first it is inspecting the Figma board and to understand the layout. And this is my starter pack, so it may run out of tokens, but let's check it. And I'm using a Claude Opus board. I'll Opus 4.8, which has a very high. So as you can see, the effort is very high. And here you see it has added the Claude Code button already. So and it can also verify it by, so it has another tool called a screenshot. It can use the screenshot to understand, yes, the button is there or not. So Claude Code button has been added. It is a dark violet rounded rectangle with white text. So yep, that is all from for today. And if you want to know more about how to add multiple MCPs to Claude, please join, subscribe, and like my videos. I have multiple other videos, such videos. Thank you.